Hi, this video will give the explanation as to what comes in the Kit 1 wing and tail kit for the MIII X. We're going to start with the steel parts that would be used to build the two wings. Here we have the steel root ribs and the two steel outboard ribs to accept the wingtip. Now we'll look at the 4 drag strut braces, all 4130 steel. You'll have 2 left long, 2 left short, and these braces will connect the spar tube to the drag strut. You see them right there. They're all 4130 chromoly steel. I'll zoom in on them. I usually bundle those up like this when I ship them out to the builder. Next we'll look at the drag strut fitting. It's a 4130 chromoly steel fitting. It's used to connect the drag strut out of the wing to the rear of the fuselage cage. This same fitting, identical to these drag strut fittings, would be used for your elevator horns, which I will show you in just a bit when we're doing the tail group. We'll look at the wing spar tangs. The 2 larger tangs, 4130 laser cut flat stock, and then with the proper bend on them, that connects your lift strut to the bottom of the wing spar. It's 4130. Then you've got your doubler tangs as a reinforcement to the bolts that connect the larger tangs to the spar. 4130 chromoly steel. Now we'll look at the aileron counterbalance assemblies. It's a pre-welded 4130, and they will slide into the leading edge of your aileron to balance the aileron. Quantity 2. Now we'll look at the wing fold fittings. This is the welded 4130 fitting that will rivet to the wing spar, and then 1 per wing, and then your wing fold tube that runs through the fuselage tube under the horizontal stabilizer will plug and pin here to hold the wings in the folded position. And these parts are non-powder coated. They're just raw 4130 chromoly steel. That would be what would come in the kit, the standard kit. And one other part here, a set of your flap horns, and they're set up to plug into the leading edge of the flap. It's 4130 chromoly steel. And then you drill and pin here for your push-pull tubes. It'd be the flap horns. That's the steel components used to build the 2 wings, the MIII X. Here's the 2 additional wing parts, 4130 steel components that will be installed inside of your wing spar tube. They will be installed here at the new Kolb aircraft for the builder. They're 4130 8 sections, and your center bolt for your spar tube, which would be an AN8 67A, will drop down inside out the bottom and then out the bottom of the 6-inch tube. We have all of these powder coated for corrosion protection regardless of your kit options. If you do not choose the powder coat, in other words, all of these will be done powder coat to protect the steel.